Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Mitsubishi Magna ES sedan. Stock reference number 4465. This shape runs from the 3rd month 1999 through to the 8th month 2005. It has a 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage except for the clear coat peeling, radiator grills, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket PDW 17-inch alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door also has 2 small dents in the clear peeling, left rear PDW 17-inch alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the rear spoiler, right rear 17-inch PDW mag wheel with an average tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents and clear peeling. Right front door has multiple small dents and clear peeling. Right front guard has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch PDW aftermarket alloy mag with a flat tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.